So hello everyone, the topic of today is the immortal jellyfish. So there is only one species till date on earth that has been called biologically immortal. That is the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii. It is found in the Mediterranean Sea and around Japan. These small, transparent animals hang out in oceans around the world and can turn back time by reverting to an earlier stage of their life cycle. How do they do it? When this species of jellyfish faces some environmental stress like starvation, injury, it can get back to its tiny blob of tissue form. Imagine an old man turning into an infant. This seems so creepy, but in fact these species has defied the laws of nature and found a trick to be immortal. And humans argue that they are the smartest in the planet. Is it so? Well, we really need to take lessons from jellyfish. Do they hold the key to eternal youthfulness for humans too? Transdifferentiation. It do this by the cell development process of transdifferentiation, which alters the differentiated cells and transform them into new cell types. Turritopsis dohrnii is an immortal species of jellyfish. However, they can get killed. Animals like tuna, sharks, swordfish, sea turtles, penguins and sea anemones eat jellyfish. Can jellyfish feel pain? No, jellyfish, like many other primitive creatures, sponges and corals, don't feel pain because they lack a brain and a central nervous system. They have a primitive, simple nervous system. Remember, no brain, no pain. Jellyfish have gone into space. In the year 1991, moonfish jellyfish traveled into outer space on the Space Shuttle Columbia. The scientists wanted to know how microgravity affected them. It was found that the jellyfish multiplied in space. However, when they came back to Earth, it was found that the space-borne jellyfish couldn't figure out how to deal with gravity. (95% water). Jellyfish are between 85 to 98% water. If they wash up on the beach, they almost disappear as their water evaporates. Jellyfish are the oldest multicellular animals on Earth. Jellyfish are more than 500 million years old. In the year 2007, a pre-date jellyfish fossil was discovered and it was found that these creatures are even more primitive than dinosaurs. What if it is split into many parts? The pieces of jellyfish can regenerate and turn into many new jelly. Do you know jellyfish aren't actually fish? Jellyfish aren't really a type of fish. Fish are vertebrates. They have backbone, but jellyfish are invertebrates. With this, our topic comes to an end. We will soon come back with more interesting topics. Till then, do subscribe our channel. Thank you.